What's up, YouTube? It's Crackatominate! And I have to submit the physics assignment, which is due tomorrow 9 a.m. I gotta do it right now. Submit it today. Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, gotta cancel. These gotta do small. Yo. Which is okay. Well, that's it. No, it's pretty cold. Oh. Ha ha ha. Yes. Physics. Not this. There we go. Sorry, man. You gotta slide. Completely change. I don't need this big answers. Surface measure. No. So cos 90 is, I remember it's zero. Zero Janai. Yeah, so that's zero. What? Where's DeepSeek, bro? So, yo! A mouse is an anti-tech animal. What? I don't understand. It's pretty cold. So, the flux. That's the answer to one of the questions in a biology Olympiad. A mouse is an anti tank animal. Tank, like in tanks that shoot, or it's an animal that. What was the questions? Do you know what's the question? If I understand correctly. It's a crossword puzzle. Okay. Makes sense. I thought it was something deep. Okay. Um, yep. I gotta do physics assignment, which should be submitted within tomorrow morning, which I'm not gonna wake up. So I gotta do it tonight. So electric field normal. Oh, what? I did not understand. Electric field and the normal to the surface effect. How does the angle? It said anti-tank animal that breaks it from within. And there is four letters long, so the answer was mouse. Okay. Anti-tank animal that breaks it. So what does it mean that it breaks it from within? Like, is there a proven uh, stuff about mice or mouse, or is it just a puzzle? Okay, so electric field to surface. Okay. Oh yeah, makes sense. Yeah. Stupid. Yes, that makes sense. How is the electric flux through a surface defined, and how does the angle between the electric field and the normal to the surface affect the electric flux? Okay, so if you need maximum flux, it should be parallel to the normal. So, okay, so it passes through. Okay, that's understand that. Zero flux when E is parallel to the surface. Okay, so it means the that one is 90. Okay. Okay, so that is has three answers. So what are you up to for your vacation and stuff, Chulu? Did you beat any bosses in Terraria or something? Double charge closed. Electric frogs. I kind of took a break from Terraria and let the autism work its magic. Now I'm playing Mindustry. Oh, yeah, the game about factories. Yeah. Okay, it feels good, I guess. So negative flux. It also has war. Okay. So you also invest in your defense, stuff like that. Literally conquering a whole planet. Is it multiplayer or you just play? Total charge enclosed within that surface. There's multiplayer and two campaigns. Okay, interesting. So, as I said, do you have to spend on your defense? Gotta resource spend on research on defense, stuff like that. So, the first question answer: defense and offense. Okay, that's reminding me of Clash of Clans. Just kidding. I'm just joking. Flux and its dependence. Oh, why did I write that? It's not how you write it. It's more into the measure of number of electric field lines passing through. So define as that's the electric flux. It's the integral of electric field multiplied by area. So, Chulu, did you complete um, are you starting the game new, or do you have an account before? Negative flux comprehension. So, electric flux surface. Field lines passing through that surface. I already beat the second campaign, but I started the first campaign recently. Also, the difference between offline players and online players is huge. Okay, so yeah, you gotta. So, in a war, what does mainly matter? Is it like the defense you have or the offense? Yeah, I mean, I think in a war, your defense should be good enough that the other team's offense can penetrate, I guess. So, what are these? What do you use as offense? It depends on playstyle, yeah. So, what do you use as offense? Like jets, fighters, or I don't do it. As offense, you use units. Okay, what are these units? Ah, okay. Units. What are these? Are these like special type of tanks, or oh, they're naval, ground, air, spider units. What is this spider unit? Walks like a spider through the defense and stuff. Mm-hmm. Defense and support. Okay. What are the air units? you use as a fence? Field and the flail. Damn, it goes deep. Okay. There are 5 tiers of units for each type. Okay, each tier increases their damage slash defense, I guess, right? Electric flux for a surface is a measure of electric field lines passing through that surface. So it's the number of electric field lines through a specific area of surface. Okay. There's no way every day. So, uh huh. Yes. They mostly increase in damage and HP with higher tiers. But as the T5 support air unit, the Oct kinda doesn't have any damage. It goes for a shield. So an air unit that is a shield. Interesting choice of air units. Okay. The shield that's the fifth tier of air unit. The T shield is the T5 support air. Okay. Okay, it's a support, which is the offense air unit. Eclipse. It's a it's a jet. It's a jet raptor ish forms of transport, I guess. Eclipse is slow as hell. The bigger the unit, the worse the speed. Okay, but I guess being bigger, it has more HP points. I guess at least that should be a good thing. It has 22,000 hit points and 13 armor. What would be the hit points for a smaller air offense unit? What would you consider fast as health points? Mm, okay, it's opposite to the normal. Uh-huh. 7.2 and 9 armor. Okay, so health points are a big difference. So yeah, it's what it is. Fastest air unit is flare. It's even defense air unit. Flare, damn. Just wanna see how it looks. My industry. Oh, it's a tiny. Interesting. Oh, did I pause the chat? What? Mhm. I'll take the video a bit later because just need to finish the comprehension. Then I'll watch it. 70, okay. That's a tiny. Tom the two guns that shoots 9 damage bullets. Okay, it's a fast shooter, but very less hit points. Should be faster, right? Yeah, that's the fastest. Oh, if it has no damage and less HP, then do people use it or it's just there? Okay, it doesn't get hit, but okay. Yeah. The damage is low, but it keeps on giving the damage, I guess. Come on. Hmm. What is cautious law and how does it feel? Charge enclosed permittivity of free space. Okay. The flux depends on Gaussian surface, imaginary. I'll be right back. Oh, my lord. Um, so first person class. Use a cylindrical pillbox. Okay. Okay. Okay, Gaussian surface. Perpendicular to the line of lenses. The disrupt unit in the second campaign can technically carry itself if you get it in payload form. Okay, the disrupt unit, what does that do? It dis- is it part of defense or offense? It is a T5 air unit. Okay, that's also part of the air unit. I'm guessing that's also a heavy one, a lot of HP. No support or naval units. Okay. What's the HP for disrupt? I'm guessing 15. No, 18. 12. Okay. Somewhere close, at least. Okay. Interesting. So, a Gaussian surface for an infinite line of charge. So, the electric field is infinite lines of charge distribution, and infinitely long straight wire with the uniform charge per unit. Symmetry, the electric field must point. So, okay, because the line is infinitely long and symmetric in all direction along its axis. Okay, choosing the Gaussian surface since use Gaussian surface. Oh man, I'm feeling so tired. I need to take a rest. Yo, Chulu, I'll be back within 5 minutes. I'm just gonna pop a popcorn, you know. I'm feeling not that strong. So, yeah. Be right back. Yo, yo, yo. My hands are salty. I'm back. So, it's annoying. It is really annoying. Long string wire uniform charge per unit. Mm-hmm. Uh, since the field length radiate outwards. Okay. I get it. I get something. Yo, Turkish science. A new person to the stream. Welcome. I feel pretty. I'm feeling so tired today. I don't know why. So maybe so the night. I don't know. Hmm. That skills to be a constant. That skills to relationship. Hmm. The electric field may not be zero everywhere, okay? Not able to focus. Yo, Chulu, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, you just gotta do a PDF right now. I forgot. No, it's working. Okay. Okay, it's there. Yep. I just gotta do it on my phone. We back. Nah, I was doing an assignment. I got one thing to do. I was outside. Yes. The physics assignment, man. I feel so tired, but I should do it. So what should I do right now? Oh, bro. Oh, man. Oh man. Oh man. I'm zoning out. I don't know what the heck, what's happening. It's so weird. I cannot sit for a second. It's amazing. My brain is not braining right now, I guess. Mm, I don't want to wake up tomorrow. At least I can answer this right. Yeah, it is indeed crash timing. I don't feel like concentrating. I don't feel like reading, man. Maybe it's the sleep. Mm, or it's the smoking. Yeah, I guess it's the smoking. So, Chulu, did you have any assignments? Like, I heard that you have to do some assignments before class, right? Same. I got the BO Olympiad still. Oh, you have to do the Olympiad? Like, when? Or is it over? Or are you doing it right now? I don't know. I was given a three paper Olympiad right before the vacation started. I got to do it now because I got just tomorrow left. Oh, damn! Your vacation is about to end. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, that's how it is, I guess. Hmm. It was a good run. Now I'm been gonna be cooked for 2 months straight. Yeah, that's how it is. Then I'm a free man for 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. That's gonna go like, yeah. I just want to sleep, but let me just give this to this guy. Seek DP seek. Electric flux through a cube and a square. I got two options now. I can one go to sleep, tomorrow wake up, or I should do it right now and go to sleep. I don't feel like I can do it right now. Why does vacation go so fast while school feels like a year past? You check the clock, 10 minutes past. Yeah, it's not a good feeling, but I would say it. Look on the bright side for schooling, and look when you have school. Look on the bright side for school. when you're on vacation, the bright side of vacation, I think. Yeah, that's the only thing we can do. What are you doing? What problem to infinitely charged? No, bro, we are doing dealing with superposition. What? Nah, my brain ain't gonna work. There ain't no bright side to school. Yeah, there is. Friends, the class, and education. Those two would be the bright side. Don't you agree? Hey, why are you dealing with quantum physics? I don't know. It's my fourth assignment for physics. I don't have the brain to understand this tonight, so I'm gonna be sleeping, and I gotta wake up tomorrow 6. I used to wake up on correct time, but I just lost that ability. I don't know how. I used to wake up at whatever time I want, but now I'm not just doing it. Education sucks. Friends are kind of not friends. You're forced to be there, so it's kind of mutual suffering. Okay. I mean, education, I mean, in the long run, education do help you as a human being, It's gonna help you. Friends, yeah, just be kind to everyone, I guess. And when you get to not university, but I don't know, there should be a point where it's gonna feel like a lot of people around you, I guess. I don't know, man. But yeah, education is it's pretty cool actually. Just that's what we are studying, what other people found for us to progress, right? Progress. So I think it's important. Ah, my brain's cooked. Turkish Sons. Who is this guy? Produce entertainment content for use. Okay, okay, good, good. Wait, there's nothing here. I don't know if the education is good because the failing grade is 2 and it's lowest you can get. Most of the class gets a 2, like 90% of the class. This ain't some fancy school. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I do understand that point, but after that, I believe you are planning to do bachelor's, master's. On that point of view, you are gonna need a lot of things you study, I guess, or it's gonna prepare you better for studying. Just also use, I would say, I'm not uh, promoting, but you can use AI for a lot of things, I guess. But yeah, I would say education is important. That we will realize later, sooner or later. Everyone. School is teaching me that the best way to live life is to find loopholes and workarounds. I mean, yeah, it's better not to look at school and, just think of this as, or whatever you're studying, think of it as a sort of preparation for mm, tomorrow. Instead of learning biology, I can just copy it from the internet because we don't get taught that level of stuff right now. Yeah. And yeah, whenever you're sitting down to study, just, I would say, look deeper into what you're learning, right? You can just copy it from the internet, but it's not about just copy paste, right? Instead of writing projects, I can just go to Wikipedia. Yeah, you can, but are you supposed to do that? At least, yeah, I would say you can use AI and stuff, but just make sure you understand what you are giving out. Just just let them know that you know what you are doing. But most importantly, you have to like learn some of the basics. It's gonna be really helpful for us as a human being. Everyone should learn. It's a really good thing happening to us. Yeah, it is. Yeah, school is weird, boring. I get it. I know. I'm good at geometry, math, and physics at least. Yeah, yeah. Appreciate education. I would say. Yeah, it's gonna feel much different when you get more and more older. I guess. Man, I should do it tonight. I should not postpone. I'm gonna leave these. Fuck that. A point charge Q is located at the center of a cube with edge lengthening d. What is the value of the integral EDA electric flux over the cube? Okay, the point charge. So what do they do to find the electric flux? Given given a point charge Q is at the center of the cube with edge d, electric flux is integral electric field lines into the derivative of a or area of the cube. So we are talking the whole cube by Gauss law. The flux through any closed surface closing Q is enclosing Q is Q by E0. So answer is Q by E0. Wait, wait, what? So for so for either So Chulu, what are you doing right now? I'm guessing you are doing the Olympiad, biology Olympiad, I guess, right? Yeah, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Clarification for problem 1B. What? Yeah. Respect. Mm, symmetry based question. Imagine enclosing the charge in a larger cube with side 2D. The charge is now at the center of the cube. So the flux through each of its six faces is equal. Okay. Imagine okay. 2D. So flux through each of its six faces are equal. Original square face is one fourth of the larger cube. Okay. Interesting way to solve it. The original square face was the area of the square face is d square. Now it's that's d and that's 2d. That's half, right? The flux through the original square is okay. One fourth. What is the hypotenuse of both the tri squares? 2d squared plus 2d squared is, bro, the AI said boiled chilled water. Yeah, we are gonna get something like that once in a while. That seems AI. Is it from Gemini or usually it's Gemini or Meta? I don't think Meta does that, but who knows? Boiled chilled water. Yandex. Okay, well, that is that is an interesting name for AI. Is it special for puzzles, solving puzzles or something like that? Or 4d square plus 4, so it's 8d square. 8d square is 2d root 2. Okay. Yandex is a whole company. I heard of that name, but Yandex, is that appropriate to search on stream? I heard of it. I heard of it. Yandex. It's a Russian company. Oh, it's more like a search engine ish. Aha, interesting. Just, uh-huh. Two most popular. Okay. They kind of like Google. They got maps, they got translators, they got AI, they got everything. Okay. Interesting. I did not know such a thing exists. Oh, it looks good. Oh, oh no. Okay, it's and it does not have ads, I guess. Mhm. Ah, oh, I saw that. Yeah, Yandex also has a bank. Okay. Oh, I did not reveal my location. Okay, yeah, it's interesting. It's really interesting. Hmm. It's Russian based. The US banned people from getting money from Russia, which means no ads. Okay, Yandex. Let me search if where do I get the AI for Yandex? We got Yandex AI. Where is this? No. Also means that I get no ads on YouTube or Twitch. To get AI, you have to download it. Okay. I did not know Russia has a lot of things figured. Hmm. Interesting. Let me see if it's in the App Store. Yandex Translate, Yandex Drive, car sharing, Yandex Trains. Aha. Yandex Rent. Oh, they also banned YouTube in Russia, so they made our YouTube, but everyone just got VPNs. Our YouTube, that's the Russian YouTube. I am interested in visiting that. Our YouTube. So Russian, it's Russian нет. Damn. Oh, oh. Okay. We got everything in Russia. Our YouTube. Okay. It's Russian only so that deterred people from it. Okay. You can also you cannot change the language, I guess, right? It's just oh man, the computer is gonna have a hard time. I never used it, so I don't know. Uh, That's interesting. Hmm. I will keep this on my radar just so it's there. It was interesting to see Yandex. I did not know such an uh, application existed. Uh-huh. Two root 2D. While the other one is d square. It's two. It's root 2D, so two times. So it's two times big. Okay. Yeah, you can also use DeepSeek. Yeah, ChatGPT, right? I mean, that should be usable. GPT is US only. No way. What? Yeah, it should be. The flux through any closed surface. Closing Q. Oh, it said descent. Okay. What is the value of the integral symmetry 1a? Okay. A point charge is situated at a distance equal to half the length of the side of the square d. Half of the length of side of square d and positioned directly above the square's center. See figure, okay? What is the value of the electric flux passing through the area of the square? Hint use result in A. Given this placed at a distance d by 2 above the center of the square, okay? So imagine the charge is at the center of the larger cube with length 2d, where the square is one of its faces. How is the length 2d gets it to directly above the square's center? The flux through the entire cube is again q by e0. By symmetry, the flux through one face is, since cube has six identical faces. I don't get the second part. A point charge is located at the center of the cube with the edge length d. What is the value of the integral over the cube? So, according to the Gaussius Gauss Gauss law, Gauss law. I forgot the name. The flux through any closed surface Q is Q by epsilon zero. I think they explained the value before, I guess. Permittivity of free space, a constant that scales the relationship. Ah, it's a constant. Closed surface of area Q by epsilon zero. So that is the electric flux for the entire cube, I guess, right? Given a point charge Q is at the center of the cube with edge length d. Okay, electric flux equals E electric field lines into derivative of A, the whole integral by Gauss law, the flux through any closed surface enclosing Q is Q by epsilon zero. So that is the answer for the flux caused by a charge inside a closed surface. Okay, now flux through a square with offset charge. I don't understand. Directly above the square's center. Okay, so directly above the center of the square, that means it's on one of the plane, right? Yeah, it's on one of the blades. So what does that mean? From the above the center of the square, use the result from A. That is for the center of this cube. Now this is on one of the sides of the cube. Imagine the charge Q at the center of the larger cube with edge length 2D. Right? Yeah, for edge length 2D. If you are imagining a square like that. If it's 2D, by the way, did I tell you that I beat Abomination after 55 attempts after activating a solar eclipse? GG's, that's a good news. So 55 attempts after activating a solar eclipse. Is that some sort of power up? I guess. Yeah, I guess it's some sort of power up. So if I imagine correctly, that is the surface of the cube that we are dealing with. That's the. Mhm. A solar eclipse is an event. Oh, do you get some benefits during that event, or it's just there? It's an event for. Oh, I mean, oh, special mods. My PB was 20% HP after I activated the solar eclipse. My kill went up to 20%. And the boss died. Lol, I don't get any benefits. So yeah, it's okay. You just defeated the boss during the event that was happening. It's not because of the event. Respect, man. No, that's dedication. 55 attempts. That's dedication. Dedication right there. So so the hype of summoning the event just pushed my skills up. Yeah. Thanks to the pseudo pressure from the event, you beat the boss. Now a few more boss to go. That's really cool, man. Respect. 55 attempts, damn. That's a lot of attempts. I'm also stuck on a boss in Lice of P. Yeah, it's an annoying boss. Fuck that boss. I know what to do, but it's just This guy just gets me. Inside a square. It should be. Yeah, that's the multiplication hmm, for the cube. It's divided by 6 times. The square is one of its faces. The flux through the entire cube is again q by e0. Yeah. Also, I beat Exomex and then easily killed Supreme which calamities because Exomex allow me to make subsuming vortex. Okay, so that's like a portal, subsuming vortex. It's sort of portal that you can connect places. I guess it's that. Save charge. Okay, it's a weapon. Got it. So I'm guessing you did not have this weapon until you beat the Exomech. Cool, cool shit. I don't have anything to eat. Yeah, okay, that's cool. I don't understand this part. What? The center of the large square is one of its faces. The flux through the entire cube. Okay. By symmetry, the flux through one face. I didn't get it. Now I gotta begin the grind for the gear to kill mutant. And then gotta kill an old god, then God himself. Yeah? So it's a long journey, eh? Oh, I wouldn't say it's long. You were almost getting it. But yeah, just find the proper balance between classes and game grinding session. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Re explaining the problem. The point charge q is placed at a distance d by d2 above the center of the square. Find the electric flux passing through the square. So, if I understand the question, the the point charge is now at the center of one of the surface of the square. After that, I'm probably doing Infernum, and then I'm doing Legendary Mass. Oh, bro, the namings are so good. Death mode currently I'm doing expert eternity re- revengeance mode. Cool, cool. Oh, that's some cool, cool stuff right here. Legendary death mode currently doing expert. So these mods gives you more resource. It's okay. I guess it's gives you more harder opponents, right? You're the revised solution for charge on square feet. Only half of the flux is inside the cube. Okay, that makes sense. Flux distribution among cube faces. The cube has six faces, but charge lies on one face. Containing the face gets half of the total flux. The remaining five faces share the other half of the flux equally. So it's the face of charge receives, that is the flux inside the cube, and that is the flux through the square face with charges. This is because the charge radiates symmetrically to the cube and outwards. The first word is difficulty. Is the vanilla difficulty. The second word is the Fargo's soul mod difficulty, and the third one is calamity mod difficulty. Okay, and you are playing expert eternity revengeance mod. So that is fourth level difficulty, or it belongs to the Fargo's soul mod difficulty. By symmetry, the five other faces share this flux equally, but the face with the charge has no flux since charge is on it, not inside. Wait, this is confusing. Let me use. Oh, bro. wait, wait, this is confusing. Let's use solid angles instead. Okay, bro, AI was confused. If the charge was floating above the face, the answer would be okay. I guess it's still on. So, the charge on the face, charge inside the cube. So, yeah. Chulu, the expert eternity revengeance mode, is that does that belong to the vanilla difficulty, the Fargo soul difficulty, or calamity difficulty? What do you think, bro? What do you think? It's not convincing me the answers. It's not the right answer. I forgot. The difficulty is all combined together to be harder. Okay, it's getting more harder. Electric flux measures how electric field passes through a given surface area. Think of it as counting the number of across the surface. Oh, okay, I get that. And if a point charge is on the surface of the square, that means the surface of the square does not experience any sort of flux that the point charge is on. The others, the one opposite in front of it, or one, two, three, okay, that four are gonna get the charge equally, right? Yeah. Q is 0 by 2, that's the half, and each side, what is the value of passing through the area of the square? Half the length of side of square and positioned directly above the square's center. I mean, I guess it's both correct, same answer, right? I'm gonna give it to GPT. GPT, what you gotta say, bro? The electric flux. GPT got a lot of stuff to say, yeah. Okay. Electric flux through one face of the cube. Okay. So the first question was really easy, and I was stupid. Now, yeah, I'm just gonna write it. Mm. So first question, first part A. The flux through a cube with central charge Q, the point charge Q at the center with sides of length D's. Straight up D's. electric flux equals integral electric field lines into derivative of area. Applying Gauss Gauss law, the flux through any closed surface equals Q by epsilon zero, where Q is the point charge, I guess. I know Q. I know what they mean, but I just wanna confirm. My eyes are just going down. 4 gigabytes. Why is taking so long for you to get 4 gigabytes? That's it. Oh, I wish Mhm. Yeah, eyes are tired. Are tired. So, what are the Q and E0? Charge. What E0 is a physical constant? Permittivity of free ice or EP. Yeah, it is indeed. What about you? How are you staying up this late, man? Charge. And just like that, the weekend is over. Yesterday I stayed up till 6 a.m. I'm guessing you'll just sleep the whole day? That makes sense, bro. That makes sense. Okay, so what did you do? How do you say I play? Ooh. So that is the point charge. My visual representation ain't that good, but yeah. Just through the one face. Mm-hmm. The flux is distributed equally across the cube as the the point charge is at the center. Therefore, charge through electric flux and faced by one face of cube equals which implies it's q by 6 epsilon 0 as cube has 6 faces. That is interesting. Cube has 6 faces. Really? 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 The cube has 6 goddamn faces. Wait, that infinite, two infinite parallel. It's just parallel. I thought it's parallelogram. Two parallel lines, homogeneously charged planes. Parallel lines, parallel, parallel, parallel. Two infinite parallel lines, charged planes. Okay, are located at a distance 2 centimeters. Their surface charge densities are 60 centimeter per meter square for one plane and or yeah, okay. Not it's not centimeter square, it's coulomb per nano coulomb per meter square, okay. Give a drawing of the electric field lines for each layer, 1 and 2. If I believe it's like coming out from the wires. Employ Gauss's law to find an expression for the electric fields E1, ENN. What? As a function of the surface. Charge densities draw schematically the electric fields in EFX group. Okay. Okay, shit's getting more interesting. For what the you gotta draw EX graph. What the hell? Okay, so what the first plane surface charge density is 60. Oh, one was positive, the other one's negative. Okay. The separation is 2 centimeters. Right of both planes. field points away from the plane as it's a positive. Sigma. You know what? I'm gonna be heading to sleep and I gotta wake up at 6. I'm not gonna wake up. That's the problem. I need to wake up or else this is not gonna work. Yeah, it's just two questions. I should be able to do tomorrow. Yeah. So, I have Chulu. I am really sorry for disappoint. I am really sorry to myself and to the whole stuff that I'm really disappointed that I couldn't even do three questions. That's bad, bro. Yeah, but I'm so tired. Yeah, see ya, man. It's so weird. It so feels so weird today. See ya. Wah, 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 wah. How do you end the stream? Yeah.